The next tool we're going to talk about is the actual measuring tool itself. Now we have the specification. On this particular Ford Escape, it's .860 is discard, unsafe to drive. We have to have more meat than that on there. So you take your micrometer, you get a reading, and in this case it's .930. So we have plenty of meat if we wanted to machine this rotor. Now some shops don't machine rotors, that's up to you, but this rotor is safe to machine if need be. Now if you don't have a tool like this, you probably have a digital one. This is something that you have to write down on a repair order. It's a safety thing for the customer, and it also shows that you know what you're doing when you do a brake job.